Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view all the shared documents on Telegram chat. If you're looking to access all the files, photos, and other attachments shared within a specific chat on Telegram, you've come to the right place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Telegram on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the desired chat where you want to view the shared documents. Next, tap on the contact name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options related to that specific chat. Here, you'll see a list of attachment types such as media, files, links, and voice messages. To view the shared photos or documents, select the Files option from the list. By selecting the Files option, you'll be able to see all the files and documents that have been shared within that chat. You can easily scroll through the list to find the specific document you're looking for. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all the shared documents on Telegram chat. Whether you're looking for photos, videos, or other files, accessing them is quick and straightforward. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. See you next time.